How to withdraw money from TikTok creativity program. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm going to show you how you can withdraw money from the TikTok creativity program. To be eligible for this program, you will need to meet certain requirements. You need to have 10K followers in your account, and you also need to upload the videos that are to 1 minute to make them eligible for earning. Now let's say you want to withdraw your earnings. First of all, you need to access the creator tools, which you can only do after you have 10,000 followers in your TikTok account. And there you will see the option of Creativity Program Beta. Tap on that and it will take you a page with a graph showing your daily earnings. Below the graph, you will find your RPM, qualified views, and estimated rewards. Always remember that this program is eligible for the videos that is up to 1 minute. So to withdraw your money, you will see the option of view balance, and this will display your estimated rewards for the current period and the amount that you can withdraw. Keep in mind that the minimum payout amount is $10. And if you tap on the credit card icon in the top corner, it will take you to the payout setup, and you will need to enter your payment method like PayPal or credit card and submit your tax information as well. And after finishing these two steps, tap on completed and you will then be able to withdraw the money. So that's all for this today. This is how you can go ahead and withdraw money from the TikTok creativity program. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again in the next one.